All right, we want to thank WZY for sending out these Jujube Red Dates. Yes, that is called Jujube. I looked it up on how to say it. But overall, this is a fruit that is sun-dried. So it can taste a little bit like a raisin, but if you think about your fig or your prune type fruit, it's going to give off the same type of vibe in terms of texture. The taste of it is not too sweet, so it just adds a little bit of sweetness, and it's really light and refreshing. And so this is non-GMO. This is 0 added sugar, so you're just looking at the natural sugar from the fruit, and this helps support a healthy lifestyle. So what this is jam-packed with is antioxidants and vitamin C, which help you restore healthy immunity to your body. This is extremely gentle on your digestive system and actually helps with the digestive system, and this gives you a burst of energy as well. So my kids play a lot of sports. They're always coming and going. And so I look forward to having this on the sideline this year. So that way, if they need something very quick between games that's not going to weigh them down, we can look for a really good pop of energy from this. So overall, this jar that they sent me has about 12 ounces in it, a little over 12 ounces. So there's about 30 grams per serving, and so you're looking at about 20 grams of sugar per serving, but it is just the natural sugar that comes from the fruit, so no added sugar. And then you get about 12 servings in this particular jar. So how you can eat this, you can literally just eat it directly from the jar just as a snack. You can grind it up and use it as a sweetener or sweetener alternative to any of your baked goods. You can throw it in smoothies, you can do it in baked goods. You can even put this in stews or in soups to add just a little bit of that sweetness and that flavor. So let's go ahead and let's try it out. So this is just eating it straight out of the jar. No peeling anything needed. So it definitely is giving off like a raisin vibe, but it's not as sweet as a raisin. So it just has that little bit of taste to it. This is really nice. It's obviously a lot larger. The outside has a drier texture than a raisin does, but still, again, that same type of tannin or skin that you can pick up from it. But the inside, because it's sun-dried, think about dehydration, right? When you dehydrate fruit or candy or anything like that, you definitely get this puffed up type of texture, and that's exactly what the inside of this looks like. So giving off a really nice, honestly filling sensation because it's much larger and it's expanding as a fruit. So overall, extremely good tasting. Again, just that little bit of sweetness, but I could just sit here and just eat these just as a snack, or again, be able to add this to different type of baked goods or even smoothies and things like that. So if you're looking for a healthy alternative and you want to try something new, I would highly recommend checking out these Red Dates.